Welcome to the WION podcast, where we explore fascinating stories and ideas from various fields. In this episode, we dive into growing fears of an AI apocalypse as overhyped stocks crash, underperforming apps disappoint, and experts warn of a looming burst, just like the dot-com bubble. The artificial intelligence boom, fueled by the overvaluation of AI stocks and heavy promotion by experts, industry insiders, and investors like Bill Gates, is beginning to crack. Soaring computing costs are not matching returns on investment or ROI. Experts now warn that we are living in an era much like the dot-com bubble of the late 1990s, which burst at the start of this millennium. Will the AI crash hit in 2026? Who will survive it? Here's what you should know. Between 2020 and 2025, the AI sector attracted enormous media attention and capital. The frenzy drew comparisons to the dot-com boom, but recent developments suggest that this period of irrational exuberance may soon face a sharp reality check. The stock of AI chip giant Nvidia, the poster child of the AI hardware boom, dropped by nearly 7.4% over 2 consecutive days. This same stock had surged over 3,000% in recent years. The fall reflects a wave of investor skepticism. CoreWeave, one of Nvidia's cloud computing partners, lost 33% of its value in just 2 days, wiping out $24 billion in market capitalization. A mix of disappointing AI product updates and poor business returns has raised concerns. The underwhelming response to GPT-5, the latest iteration of ChatGPT, is one example. But the bigger shock came from a recent MIT study that found 95% of enterprise generative AI projects had delivered no measurable return on investment. The MIT study analyzed 300 enterprise AI initiatives, conducted 150 executive interviews, and surveyed 350 employees. It found that only 5% of new AI deployments had delivered tangible business value. Many initiatives were misaligned with actual business needs, prioritizing flashy features over cost-saving or efficiency, supposedly AI's core strengths. Internally developed systems failed more often than vendor-supplied solutions, suggesting poor planning, integration, and execution in many companies. Recently, Sam Altman, CEO of OpenAI, publicly compared today's AI fervor to the dot-com bubble. He warned of over-exuberant investment. Torsten Sluk, of Apollo Global Management, added that AI valuations are more extreme than during the dot-com era, with vastly greater speculative capital at risk. AI companies are being valued at levels far above their actual revenue. OpenAI is reportedly valued at $157 billion, roughly 40 times its estimated annual income. Anthropic is targeting a 50x valuation. Deutsche Bank has warned that these levels are unsustainable and a sharp correction is likely. AI model training requires immense computing resources. Models like GPT-4 cost around $100 million to train. Since 2016, training costs have doubled approximately every year. Environmental and infrastructure costs are also climbing. GPT-4 consumed around 50 gigawatt-hours of energy during training. Water usage by AI data centers is projected to exceed 6.6 billion cubic meters per year by 2027, more than half of the UK's annual water use. A Financial Times analysis suggests that while a market shakeup is likely, today's big tech firms, Amazon, Google, Microsoft, are built on strong earnings and operational capacity. They are better positioned to survive a downturn. The firms most at risk are small or mid-sized startups without deep financial reserves or real-world utility. As Brett Taylor, chairman of OpenAI, put it, only companies that deliver real-world use will persist. He noted that after the dot-com crash of 2000 to 2001, only those offering genuine utility, like Google and Amazon, survived. The AI boom may not be over, but it is entering a phase of correction and realism. The most optimistic view is that any apocalypse will ultimately consolidate the sector, leaving only a few serious players with sustainable models and deep pockets. Thanks for tuning into this incredible story. If this episode resonated with you, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button for more captivating stories to come. Stay tuned.